Welcome to the SLM channel, where engineering meets excellence. Today, we'll take a deep dive into the cutting-edge world of gear motor technology. SLM has been at the forefront of gear motor innovation for more than 3 decades. Our latest advancements are setting the standard for efficiency and reliability. Take our WB/X series cycloidal gear motors as an example. Precision engineered, these motors are known for their robust performance even in the most demanding applications. From powering renewable energy farms to driving critical processes in smart manufacturing, SLM gear motors are engineered for exceptional performance. Every product we develop reflects our commitment to innovation. In our state-of-the-art facility, we utilize the latest CNC technology to ensure each gear motor meets our high quality and durability standards. To learn more, you can follow us.